Hey everybody, welcome to Froggy Socks. Nothing I say is financial advice, entertainment purposes only. When pounce. Everybody saw the tweet. Adam Aaron tweeted, when pounce. Lots of theories coming out. Q2 earnings coming up August 4th. Kind of made me think August 4th, a little bit different of a day than normal to have the earnings historically. Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange. So there's something coming. There's something definitely coming. Lots of tweets out there starting to theorize that there's a deal between Disney and AMC, and a couple people asked me to make a video on it, which is funny because now that people are just starting to talk about it. Here's the When Pounce tweet, which you've all seen. And he made 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Doctor Strange. August 4th for earnings call, Q2. And 1, I always keep my word. 2, I've said publicly a pounce would not happen before second quarter 2022 earnings are announced. 3, press release issued today that Q2 earnings will be announced August 4th. 4, read between those lines. You noticed that he put a period on August 4, just like he did 1, 2, and 3. So he made 4 points August 4, Doctor Strange 4 times. So what's the significance of 4? Not 100% sure. I don't know if there is. I would probably guess to say that there are 4 acquisitions he plans on doing, one of which was Highcroft. The other 3 could be deals or acquisitions, which we know he has $100 set aside for, $100 million set aside for coming up. Now, here's what's funny about the Disney thing that people are tweeting about. This theory is just flurrying all over online. Of course, me, back in March 10th, December 17th, 2021, October 2021. Let's see here. What did I say back in March? I tweeted the AMC On Demand should have Disney series titles for sale a few weeks ago. Tonight, AA does this. Imagine being able to buy just the Disney Plus titles you want. Say you just want to watch Kenobi. You can buy it on AMC On Demand. That type of business deal would be phenomenal because then people wouldn't necessarily want to buy the entire Disney Plus yearly subscription, but they could just buy the individual titles, which would make money for Disney and AMC. But Adam Aaron, back, let's see, what was this back in March? Here I am on the red carpet with an unbelievably important movie star, Disney Studios chairman Alan Bergman, who leads the Walt Disney Company renowned studios division. Alan is a consummate filmmaker. These dudes aren't just taking a selfie for fun. They are smiling and laughing. They're having a good time. So there's another big thing coming up that I talked to Adam Aaron about specifically a long time ago, and that is Japanese anime. Disney is currently in works buying titles like Bleach, Dragon Ball Z, potential live action movie coming out. If you watched Shang-Chi and you watched Thor Love and Thunder, if you watched Eternals, there was Dragon Ball Z and Yu Yu Hakusho references all over that. Shang-Chi and his girlfriend even referenced Kamehameha. I forgot his name on Eternals. It sucks. It's my favorite guy too. The Indian guy who does the guns, he even says when he fires the gun, he goes, Bijum, which is what they say in like animes when they shoot lasers or your spirit gun, like Yu Yu Hakusho. And then Thor Love and Thunder has a scene, I'm not going to spoil it, but it has a scene on a planetoid that is very reminiscent of Dragon Ball Z on King Kai's planet. So Disney's buying up all these titles. Adam Aaron has been talked to about putting more animes in theater. Guess what they're playing in theater August 19th? The new Dragon Ball superhero movie. So they're getting into this anime stuff. But beyond that, Disney, Adam Aaron, let's see. When did I call this out? February 7th. This is me on February 7th. It's always been strangely interesting to me why AMC promotes the Disney credit card on the AMC stub site. Right here. Look at this. View your stored Disney rewards cards on the AMC stub site. Why? AMC and Disney already had a deal going on for a long time with this, allowing your Disney rewards card to be loaded up on here. More or less probably for when you go see Disney movies, right? Makes sense. But now everybody on the internet is going crazy about this theory that either Disney is going to merge or buy or do something with AMC. And I think the truth of the matter is that AMC may be working with Disney, to get titles on their Stubs membership, not their Stubs, their AMC On Demand. Like you can buy individual Disney titles on AMC On Demand instead of paying for the whole overall yearly membership, which will be good revenue for both companies. Or B, Disney is going to work with AMC to put the brand on the movies to make specific AMC branded movie content, which I think would be brilliant. I think it would be absolutely brilliant. If you had movies between AMC and Disney being made specifically for AMC theaters, other theaters would have to pay to get them in their own theater, right? And then you got the AMC logo. AMC company brand name is now the top trending company brand in the world. Before, in 2018, 2019, you just went to whatever theater that was around, whatever one you liked. Now people go to AMC theaters specifically for the experience, the brand, the trend, the viral sensationalism, the merchandise. The Thor Love and Thunder hammers are sold out. You guys heard my rant about it the other day. Sold completely out. I don't even know if you can order them online anymore. But yeah, we talked about this months ago. This is what cracks me up about a lot of people back then. They didn't have any open-mindedness, imagination. And Twitter has a huge problem with certain people on Twitter who have big followings, like to shoot down any idea they hear that's not theirs and make it sound like you're a conspiracy theorist. I have a bachelor's degree in business administration from Embry-Riddle. I don't just go on and make tinfoil theories up because I see what's going on. I pay attention to detail. I put the little peg pieces together and I figure out, holy shit, Adam Aaron is talking with the head of Disney. He's also doing this and that. And there's some type of deal brewing with Disney. Do I think this is the pounce? I'm not 100% sure. I think it's something more to do with failure to delivers and dividends. As you guys know, they just settled the lawsuit that was held against Wanda, Adam Aaron, Coke, a couple other directors, and Silver Lake. They decided to settle it for $17.5 million. That'll be paid to AMC theaters. The lawsuit will be closed with no wrongdoing, which specifically takes that heat off of the bond that is restricting a dividend. And then he just came out, and I've been talking about the AMC, I Own AMC NFT for a while, and people forgot about it. Let me pull up my tweet. I asked him a million times. I said, hey, what's going on with this? Is there any more content dropping? Blah, 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 blah. Months ago, I've covered this highly. I think the I Own AMC NFT went out to people, so he had a way to disperse content and information to Investor Connect members, which he's really big on Investor Connect. Even though anyone can sign up for it, I think it was a good marketing strategy to get people interested in buying the stock, right? I think it's brilliant. But they just distributed these new Highcroft Mine NFTs, which are pretty cool. But you only got one if you already own the I Own AMC NFT, and that's how they knew to put it in your account. Now, you can still sign up right now for Investor Connect, AMC Investor Connect. You sign up, and you can go start a Wax.io account, a cloud wallet. It's really simple to do. Just go to Wax, type Wax.io in Google. Let me show you the page real quick. Wax.io. Wax NFT blockchain. And what you're going to do is go to Get Started, click on Wax Cloud Wallet, and you're going to sign up and get a wallet, right? When you have that, you're going to get an email later on if you're an Investor Connect member when they do issue the new completely full gold Highcroft Mine NFTs. You get an email and a redemption code, and now you'll be part of the club. So that's all you got to do there. But the I Own AMC NFT is now a vessel to distribute certain items to retail shareholders and Investor Connect members. I mean, that's huge in itself. Having a means of communication and distribution through an NFT to give you certain content is big, because this is just the start, these little NFTs. What if they decide to give you a free movie ticket in the form of an NFT, like a QR code? Now, the I Own AMC NFT has massive utility. And in that utility, the value increases. If I own that NFT for free, and I know that I can get random drops of certain merch or movies or whatever it is, that NFT has significantly higher value, especially on the open market. People are going to be looking to buy them. I actually own two. I went out and bought one off the market, and I got the one from signing up. So there's multiple things going on. One, August 4th, Q2 earnings, which was April 1st through June 30th, was an absolute phenomenal success. I think we will be cash flow positive, EPS and EBITDA positive. We went over the numbers with a few of my friends on Twitter. Swing Trade Mars, he's been tracking it the whole time. You should definitely follow him if you're on Twitter. We blew up the box office with 4 different movies, and the merch sales were out of control. So I think we'll be positive. And in that, being positive on earnings lifts restrictions from the company. Certain covenants say you can't do this or that if you don't have positive cash flow. That's gone now. The lawsuit is gone now. Those restrictions are all lifted off of Adam Aaron and company. So what do I think is going to happen? This is my personal opinion on what could happen. I think there's 4 events coming out. 1 is probably going to be some kind of deal with Disney. 2 is going to be some kind of dividend distribution. 3 is probably going to be some type of NFT sale, which we've talked about a lot. I really want AMC Theaters to do a one-of-a-kind NFT sale that goes directly towards paying down debt. If they do that or not, I don't know. Adam Aaron did talk about it in a tweet a long time ago after we brought it up to him. It could be a massively huge way to gain revenue if they give it some type of utility. 4, I think Adam Aaron has something going with the NYSE on the failure to delivers. If you heard the 2022 annual meeting, which is in another video, I'll link it to this video actually when I'm done as one of the panel clickers. If you listen to what he says, what I can tell you is that we are currently working with the NYSE or currently contacting the NYSE on failure to delivers. And we plan to do so again in the future. And if you didn't notice, AMC failure to deliver spiked again to ridiculous levels that are not any type of responsible. It's just crazy, man. Millions of failed to delivers. At one point, there was 2. Sorry, let me bring it up real quick. I got to type Fintel at the end now. It bugs. Oh, it is Fintel. AMC failure to delivers. Now, I'll just bring the article up. Skyrocket. At one point in time in June, there was 2.6 million failure to delivers on AMC theaters. That means people who are shorting the stock are not buying it back, or people who bought it are. It's just crazy. The stock is not delivered to where it's supposed to go. They do this so they wait T plus 35 so they can try to get in at a lower price. Well, guess what? These FTDs that were generated at $10, $11, $12, $13, if we keep going up in price this next couple months, they're going to have T plus 35 to cover these at $15, $16, $17, and that's going to be a big deal. So multiple things going on there. The Disney thing, I'm telling you, I've been calling this again since back in February that they had some kind of Disney deal going on. This photo here on the red carpet speaks for itself. I mean, look at these guys, man. They're super, super happy. Standing behind a damn Rolex sign. I mean, they're just balling, dude. Look at, they look like they're best buds. AMC has, again, the branded credit card on their stubs right here. Disney rewards card. You can link it to your AMC stubs. There you go. So I'm pretty sure there's a big deal going on with on demand. I'm hoping it's either going to be a Disney and AMC make AMC and Disney branded movies together. Certain movies that are going to be made as AMC Disney originals. Disney has eaten up companies like Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, Lucasfilms. Disney buying out AMC might even be an option on the table. That would be huge. Imagine Disney buys AMC and leaves Adam Aaron in charge. That's huge. Imagine the premieres that they could hold for Marvel if Disney owned their own theater. Imagine that. That's just crazy. Now, there used to be restrictions on production companies can't own theaters. Those have been lifted. As from what I'm told, those restrictions have been lifted. That's why Prime decided to buy out, Amazon Prime decided to buy out MGM. Do you see what's happening? Amazon was rumored to be buying out AMC back in the day multiple times. So Amazon bought out MGM Studios. Now Disney might be eyeing AMC. Disney knows, man, they got a crazy investor base that's going to come with them and a trending brand name. Watch Disney come out and say, okay, we'll buy AMC theaters for $8 or $9 billion, canceling all debt, giving in the company $2 billion, bringing it right back in. It's a potential, man. It's an absolute potential. So Q2, I'm not going to do too many more tinfoil hat videos. These really aren't tinfoil hats. They're attention to detail videos where you see certain things that could happen, business acquisitions, you see the writing on the wall, you hear the rumors, you talk about it, you discuss it, and then if it does and when it happens, you're a genius. And if it doesn't happen, it's not a big deal because you're just talking shop. So I'm super excited, man. Q2 earnings, Adam Aaron speaking to us in fours. May the fourth be with you, you know. Doctor Strange, Doctor Strange, Doctor Strange in his tweet with 4 things. So far now, we've got 2 NFTs. I expect there's 2 more NFTs coming. 3 NFTs. I Own AMC, this black Hycroft Gold one, and there's going to be a gold Hycroft Mine one. So it'd be really cool. You know, after Q2, he says, oh, by the way, we're dropping a Disney AMC NFT. That would be massive. Anyways, you guys, Q2 is going to be massive. We are going to host an awesome call. We're going to do the live earnings call with a select panel of speakers so there's no interruptions. We're going to be doing the call on Twitter. I'm going to be streaming it live. I believe Tara's going to stream it live, and I'm hoping Froggy Styles, I invited him too. I said maybe I can do a screen share or whatever that program is so he can stream it too, and we can just blow up the Q2 earnings call, and I'll have a party and be successful and happy in what we have done to save AMC and to make one of the most virally sensational trending brand names on the globe, which is worth more than gold. Worth more than gold right now. So anyways, there's a video. Hope you guys have a phenomenal weekend. I'm going to tell you right freaking now, man. Thor, Love, and Thunder is an absolutely epic sauce movie. I loved every bit of it. I saw it twice already. I took my neighbor and their kids today. We had an absolute good time. I went and made a little TikTok video with my dog. Let me see if I can play it here.
Asgardian shake into the snake that you cannot trust. Really dragging this out and finish the classic Asgardian high one.
You'll see it in the movie if you go. Hammers are more than likely sold out. If you do get one, congratulations. You can also try to go online. I thought there was a pre-order. They're ordering more hammers to get in the popcorn vessels. But anyways, guys, it is a phenomenal movie. The adults loved it. The kids loved it. It was visually stunning. It was hilarious. It was sad. It was super happy. It is a beautiful, beautiful movie. All the actors did a phenomenal job in it. Make sure you go see it. Let me get some of these comments, and then I'm going to sign off. Like, gee, what's up, man? What's up, dude? Ronnie Smith, why did he say it 4 times? Exactly. This is the 3rd time that Adam Aaron has done something in 4s, right? He's done it in the past, too. He repeats things in 4s. Cole, get your dues, brother. Saw your comment. Thanks, man. You know, whatever. It's not even about that. I don't care. I just want to get to the there so we know what's going on so we can celebrate the good news and keep people mentally balanced on, hey, there's more catalysts coming. What's up, Hash Boss? Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Mario Aleo. Monday looks good for Rev. Cost to borrow. Yeah, I'm still in Rev pretty heavy, guys. I'm waiting for the news from Alliance, but the cost to borrow is over 1,000%. I'm not telling you to get into it whatsoever. Extremely high risk play, but it could be very high reward if the buyout deal does come through, which it's a prime asset to buy. Lots of assets on the books. Hello, Ape Fam. Hey, nay. What's up, Hash? What's up, fam? And we'll be here, right, Nene 8 for Q2. Hell yes. Baby, Q2. I'm so excited for Q2. We're finally here, you guys. We're going to be positive. We're getting rid of debt. We're making new investments. Theaters are exploding. AMC My theater ran out of hammers yesterday. They ran out of nuggies and pizza today. They need more stock. They are selling out of everything so quick. And guess what? There's only one AMC theater in New Mexico, and it's 30 minutes away from me. I told him, I said, you guys are trending. You need to do a different stock inventory and make sure that you have certain items stocked up from now on. There's sales that are being missed. It's crazy. That theater has a lot of young kids running it. They're doing a phenomenal job. A lot of young kids, though, growing up in the workforce, man. This is how it is. They're doing a phenomenal job, though. You can always watch that tomorrow morning. That's my sup, bro, primo, bro. And last one, yes, I'm in. All right, guys. I'm going to go try to calm down from my movie excitement today and get through this weekend. I'm just going to sleep all weekend and wake up Monday. I'm hoping to see these stocks pop. AMC close. What did AMC close at? Let's go to my chart. I got to quit using Webull for my damn charting. I just force a habit. I don't invest with Webull. I just use their charts. Oh, shit. AMC stock price. Let's see. Yeah. Closed almost at $15, 14.66. After hours up 8 cents. Killer, man. I mean, look at this chart. Look at this last month. Beautiful, beautiful higher low uptrend. Can't beat it. Investor Place article just popped. Dear AMC stock fans, mark your calendar August 4th. Investors will want to watch for earnings per share and revenue results at the time. There's also likely going to be heavy trading on AMC stock the day of. Okay, Investor Place, man. They're talking big earnings, man. Wall Street is expecting AMC to report an EPS of negative 18 cents alongside revenue of $1.18 billion during the period. That just doesn't make sense to me. It just doesn't make sense. They cut a lot of their expenditures, like their deferred rent from last month. There was a couple other articles too. Let's check it out real quick. 4 weeks ago, 1 day ago, AMC jumps 13%. CEO hits at a pounce. We're on the news, baby. We're running. And so far, no other revenue. So anyways, man, you guys have a great weekend. I'm going to kick it and play some Star Fox on N64 this weekend. And just chill, man. Take my dog out, get some exercise. Go to the movies, guys. You will not be disappointed with Thor. I 100% guarantee that. You guys have a good weekend. I'm going to kick rocks. Froggy Stonks.